How to get Rename Card in PUBG Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can get Rename Card in PUBG Mobile. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So you can get a rename card in PUBG by purchasing it from the in-game shop, or you can get it by completing specific missions or events, or you can pay for it in the shop as well. So head over to shop. So you can get it on the shop. First head over to the shop, and at the left hand side you'll find the treasures option. Tap on treasures and there you'll find the card section. Tap on the card section and there you'll find the rename card. This is the one. And you can get it for 180 UC. And yeah, you can buy it if you have the money, or you can get it after, if you are a returning player who log in after 7 days of absence, you may receive one through the welcome back event. And that's how you can get rename card in PUBG Mobile. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.